Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to study some important topic and we are going to finish the chapter number 1. After this, we will do chapter number 3, that is your practical part. So, for that, I will tell you suggest a software also. Those who are not having computer, they can do in mobile also. So, these are some last topics. So, your first topic is blogging. Blogging is an activity in which people type in their views and opinion on things. Means it is not like status. Exactly not like a status. It looks like a status blogging, but in blogging you have to give your own thinking. It should not be like you have copied and you have posted as your blog. So that's not a blogging. People do this, but later when they understand the different ways, then they do blogging also. It is like a job also nowadays. Bloggers, company hire these people, those who have creative mind, and they write about it, write about their company or situations. Now class, type of blogging: personal blogs. It is for basically personal use or your own story or your own, you can say, experience you want to share with the people. That is a personal blogs. News group. Under the news group also we do blogs only, but actually it is not a blogging. In news group, people create a e-groups and they share the information. But if people do not have any group, e-group, then they can have news group of their own, means individual, and they can add to another. Now talking about company blogs, as I've told you, products and various advertisement, there are the blogs created by the bloggers. So now last is the micro blogs. These are the sequence of blogs that are limited in nature. Means you can say that in Twitter people blogs every moment, and it has a limited word limit also. So it's a micro blogs. So here is a blogging website display. You can see this, and here the company has published a blog and in its website, and people can see that. Now talking about advantage: absolute free of cost, available to all. It is not required to purchase any software or something. You can do blogging free of cost. Instant setup and easy to manage. It is not required big group of people to manage this all. You alone can manage it. You can work as you like. No one can bind you or order you. You can be an individual blogger. No need to join any company. If company watches your blogs and asks you to do some task for them, you can do. Now nowadays this is happening. Now disadvantage of blogs: common people of full-time blogger is isolated from society. Means it's like you can say नश नशा हो जाता है इसका, कि आप एक ही जगह बैठे हो, रूम पे ही बैठे हो और इस पे काम कर रहे हो. यू कैन से दैट इतना ज़्यादा माइंड इसमें चले जाता है कि वो आइसोलेट कर देते हैं अपने आप को जनरली. और इसमें फिक्स सोर्स ऑफ इनकम भी कुछ नहीं है, तो ये भी एक डिसएडवांटेज है. और और ये लास्ट में बोल रहा है कि अपडेट वगैरह करने का भी कोई स्कोप नहीं होता है। अगर अगर एक ब्लॉगर इल हो जाए तो दूसरा कोई उसको टच भी नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज इट इज़ अंडर द हाई सिक्योरिटी। नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज न्यूज़ ग्रुप। न्यूज़ ग्रुप, you can say, जैसे in our Ramnagar also there are different news group, but there are very small, you can say small websites, but like TV100, like big G News, like Star News, they have a big news group where they share the information, people share the information, and directly it reaches to the company, and company select some of the good news and they display on TV. So that's a news group. So different type of news group: computer related issues, com.star; usenet related news, science.star; scientific topics; recreational activity like games and hobbies, so REC. So these are certain they have given. You can search for more in your mobile और इन कंप्यूटर क्लास, रिसर्च फॉर इट कि ये क्या क्या होता है और ये कैसे कैसे वर्क करता है, देन यू कैन वर्क ऑन इट. Advantage of news group: it is free to subscribe and post, freedom of expression, anybody can speak on any of the topic under the news group. So these are some. News group are disadvantages: news group is not a quick as email, it is not user friendly, the risk of viruses are very high. So plus anybody can add the virus to it. Okay, a news group is not quick as email, so it is a little bit slower. If you want to send information to one place to another place, instead of using news group you should use email only. So class, next is your HTML that you have been doing from very junior classes. Hypertext markup language. Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 he developed HTML, invented HTML, and there are certain codings that you also know, you have done to a little, but next will be our HTML chapter 3 only. There you will learn to the deepest. I will teach you till deep. Now features of HTML, you all know, creating a web page, platform independent. It does not depend upon platforms, means जरूरी नहीं है. If you are having Windows 10 only, then only you can create a web page. You can create in any Windows and as well as in any hardware configuration. That we call a platform independent. Case sensitive, not a case sensitive language, in capital small, any language you can write. Using HTML the user can link different web pages, you all know. Hypertext markup language it is. So that's it class. Advantage of HTML: easy to write, view the web page in any platform, you can easily view the results. Disadvantage: error can be costly, मीन्स आपने एक वेब पेज बना दिया, वेबसाइट बना दिया और एरर में हम नहीं ढूंढ पाते इसमें इजीली, उसके लिए फर्दर कोडिंग सीखनी पड़ती है एरर को ढूंढने के लिए, इसलिए इसमें टाइम कॉस्टली एक्चुअली है. इट इज़ नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द मनी, इट इज़ टाइम कॉस्टली अगर एरर आ जाए तो. सो दिस वाज द मेन थिंग, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू कैन स्टडी. सो क्लास, दैट्स ऑल and your chapter number 1 is finished. You can go through further exercises. बुक में करो जिसके पास बुक है. और जिसके पास नहीं है वो परचेज़ कर लो एज सुन एज यू कैन. दैट्स ऑल प्लस.